Imagine pulling out an old and torn, blurry photo of your parents or grandparents, or even yours, maybe your childhood picture, and in less than 1 minute, you turn it into a crystal clear HD picture. No expensive tools, no Photoshop, just free AI from Google. Today, I'll show you Google Nano Banana, a new AI tool that almost nobody's talking about yet. With it, you can restore old photos, change outfits, swipe background, and adjust facial expressions, and even create images that looks like they were shot yesterday. And the best part, you can do all of this for free right on your phone. Stay to the end because I would also show you a few smart ways to monetize this skill. People online are already paying for what Nano Banana can do in minutes or seconds. Search for Google Gemini and this is the one you'll choose. Once you are in it, you would need to sign in with your Google account. As you can see, it says new. Try our image editing with our new image editing model, Nano Banana. And here, when you click on it, it will appear here. As you can see, it says upload an image and describe the edits. So I would upload the image I want. The first thing I want to do is outfit changing. So I would click on the photo I want, select it, upload it, and I'll upload the outfit I want also. Then I'll give it the prompt I need. The prompt I typed here is I want a full picture of him in this outfit in a studio background. Make it a HD picture and he is standing in a confident pose and a professional pose. So once I have typed in this prompt, I'll send it. Now this is the image I want. That's the outfit. Now it's generating. Okay, the image is done already. As you can see, it's actually consistent. It was really okay and awesome. I really love it. So I would click on here to download it. Then the next one, I'll try the next outfit. I've chosen the picture, clicked on, choose the outfit, and I'll paste in the prompt I want here. I tried using it to create this image, but the one it gave me wasn't okay. So I have to copy this prompt because I didn't add the necessary prompt I should add there. So I'll copy it and come down here again. But this time I will do some tweaks. I'll add a 3D image. Once I add it, I'll click on send. Now I'll click and I'll say make sure he is consistent. Then I'll click on send. Once I send it, it's going to generate the image. This one I don't like it because it didn't give me exactly what I wanted. It gave me a realistic image, which is not what I wanted. Now this one is done. As you can see, it is actually okay as I wanted it to be. Guys, imagine almost the same as the other one. See, very perfect. Now let me see. Let's zoom it out to see the quality of the images is generating. See, the quality is actually okay. So this time I want to restore a damaged picture. So I would upload the image. I have an image here which I got from a Facebook group I made. So I will upload it and I'll give it the prompt I want. I say restore this picture, this old picture, and make sure the people in the picture is consistent. So I'll click on it and make sure it is a HD picture. You see, it is done already. Guys, this tool is really insane. Now I restarted my device, so I'll upload a new picture to restore the picture also. Now I have uploaded the picture and I'll paste in the same prompt I used in the last image. Then I'll click on send. Just give it a few seconds. It's going to generate the restored picture. See? Very okay. Almost. It only changed the background, nothing else. Just that it changed the background, but they are actually consistent. It didn't change any of their look. So I will download the image. The next thing I want us to try out is how we can actually use this tool to make income. So to do that, I want to focus on a particular niche, which is real estate agents. Houses that are staged are likely to get more sales than houses that are not staged, like a home. So I'll upload this image and I'll give it a prompt I have here. I will leave the prompts in the description. So I'll give it the prompt, and this is the image here. It was just an empty room, but now this AI model has changed everything. Guys, it is really insane. It changed everything. It added the necessary home appliances needed in a full house. Can you imagine? Wow, this image is very okay. So it is done. Now I'll just go ahead and download all the images, and make sure you save the before and after images so that you would present it to the real estate agent that needs it. You just saw how we did it, from swapping backgrounds, restoring old photos, changing facial expressions, and even monetizing them. Well, that's it. It's just you, your simple prompt, and Nano Banana doing the heavy lifting. If this video was clear and you learned something from it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.